beauty of Jeff State is that they have brought higher education to the community.
Having this physical campus in St. Clair County is worth a lot more than we even thought it might be when we first started thinking about putting one here. It has delivered services, educational services to the citizens of St. Clair County in a way that nothing else could have delivered them.
Jeff State has been a driving force in St. Clair County and Pell City. It's not just a Pell City community college, it is a St. Clair County community college. By providing all those college benefits to students, by providing an engine for economic development, I think we see that Jeff State has been a catalyst for a lot of what has happened in the surrounding area and certainly in our county.
Jefferson State is more than just a place of learning, it's a place of opportunity. Our goal is to have a positive impact on every student who walks through our doors.
Jeff State made higher education more accessible to me because as a first-generation college student, I already had fear and doubts of just starting college, and so since Jeff State, specifically the Pell City campus, was so close to home, it made it a easy decision to start off here and kind of ease my way into college, and already having that experience taking dual enrollment classes my senior year of high school. I already knew where the campus was already familiar with some of the teachers that were here, and so having those connections made me feel more safe and at home.
Jeff State being close to home was a major factor with going to Jeff State, especially at the Pell City campus. After Jeff State, I transferred to UAB, and that's where I got my bachelor's in biomedical sciences. And I would say transferring from Jeff State to UAB was a very easy transition.
When I first came to Jeff State, it was my 40th birthday. Decided that I was going to go to school. I had raised a family of 4 kids, ranging, there's 10 to 12 years in between the oldest and the youngest, and I decided that I would like to pursue something that I always wanted to do. If Jefferson State Community College was not here in the Pell City campus, I don't know that I would have gone back to college. I think I would have continued to put it off. But since it was in Pell City and just down the road from where I lived, I always joke and say that God put this campus here for me because He knew that I would not go if it wasn't here.
Jefferson State has both deliberately and because of the nature of the community college system has contributed to the economic development of this county in a very positive way. You can see Jefferson State's fingerprints on the programs in our high schools that have helped create ideas in young people's minds they might not have ever thought of before.
Jeff State produces the people that are working in our county and taking care of our folks. They have made themselves a critical part of our community, and they have made themselves a critical part of educating our people and preparing them to be productive citizens.
What Jeff State did for our students in St. Clair County is more than can ever be expressed.
I personally take a lot of pride in this institution and what they've done for our community.
Happy 20th anniversary to the Jeff State Pell City campus.
Let's continue to improve the lives of the people in this community.
Here's to the next 20 years.